Okay, so I connected the wires. Now I'm going to start it and see what happens. So I have this is steering wheel, these keys, okay? So it's here. So let's go to the radio. And yeah, I'm using the here steering wheel controls. And then I can change.
North in Nashville. Need to dream again. The flipped out. Nope.
Sun Devils.
Yeah.
ASU basketball. How well we treat our clients. Maybe. Latino Mix también disponible en el app de Euforia.
Better Business Bureau. So many on Yelp. Anywhere.
Okay. So now I'm gonna change the mode. Okay. From the mode. So it's all working. Even this is my USB actually. And hope it will help somebody else. I tried to find on a Google and YouTube and everywhere, but I couldn't figure it out how to connect a 28 pin for steering wheel controls. So hope this will help somebody. Take care, enjoy the day.